how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here, and we welcome you all to a very interesting video. As you can see, I have the retail box of Nokia 5310 here, and this Nokia 5310 2020 version is the modern avatar of Nokia 5310 Express Music phone. So even this 5310 version comes with dual speakers, FM radio, MP3 player with equalizer, and those kind of features, which again makes it a suitable device, a good device for media consumption. So in this video, not only we will do the unboxing of this phone, we will also talk about our first impression of how the phone looks like in your hand. And as you know, 5310 Express Music was a trendy phone when it was launched. It took the fans by storm, and it was like a very hot selling model. So HMD wants to bring that kind of vibe again with the phone in the market. So we will talk about it. So as I said, apart from the features, which is like dual speakers, it comes with 2.4-inch display, and it supports micro SD card slot up to 32 GB, and there it's like also boasts of a very good standby time for the battery. So 30 days for single SIM and 22 days for dual SIM. So now coming to unboxing part, let's quickly unbox it first. Okay. Okay, so here is the phone. What else is there? Let's quickly check. So as you can see, this is a removable kind of battery, which is good. Then you have the charger and the headphone. Okay, so the phone is as this phone has been launched with like music consumption or media consumption, music consumption specifically in mind. So we will obviously go for evaluation of how good it is in terms of music consumption. But for now, let's talk about the design and how it looks like. Okay, so this is how the phone looks like here. So the model that we got is a black one, and it has this red on both sides. It quickly reminds you of the original 5310 Express Music phone, but it is like a bit, I think, maybe thicker than the original one. But still, it just reminds you of the Nokia quality. It looks good. Build quality sounds really, really good. So let us quickly put the battery in. Okay, so this is, I think, how, okay, it's easy to remove the battery. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, the first thing that you will notice if you try to look a bit carefully is this dual speaker, which is must be good and big. It looks nice, and then you can notice the this home button. So usually nowadays we are more immersed in smartphones, so it's like a good detox for you. If you want to do a detox in this lockdown period, you can just use this phone. So it just reminds you of everything good that Nokia has, that all kind of the old Nokia nostalgia that you can pick up. So the speakers actually, so it's dual speaker at the bottom and at the front both. And then you have a volume rocker here on the right side. Yeah, I think it's like more for like it's for kind of a playlist, kind of control kind of keys here, so you can fast forward and play and pause the playlist when it's happening. Then you have a camera with a flash. Okay, and on the top obviously we'll have that headphone jack, and as well as the USB slot for charging. Okay, so while as like this phone looks really nice after a long time, I'm unboxing feature phone, but it just brings lots of memories back in terms of Nokia build, Nokia quality, and Nokia phones, and that kind of feeling is still there. I can say that because this build quality still is so good. The phone looks so nice in your hand. It feels so good, so sturdy and steady both. Okay, and when you long press here, it powers on the phone. So I think the last phone that the feature phone that we did unboxing of was Nokia 3310 Modern Avatar. So after that, we are playing with this one. So we will do auto update of time. So this is the same tried and trusted kind of, I think S30 UI that you may have used if you have used Nokia feature phones recently. And when you go back, you can see that this display looks nice for a feature phone. It appears bright. When I press here, it takes me to the camera. Okay. So we will also talk about this camera in our future videos and the review of Nokia 5310 when we put this camera into more use, and then we will come back. So for now, this is how 5310 looks like after the unboxing and after powering it on. It's a nice little device that has all the goodness of Nokia quality. Very nice build. So uh, we will end this video now. As we have come to end of the unboxing, we will ask you to stay tuned to our Nokia Power User YouTube channel and Nokia Power User.com for more as we bring more of Nokia 5310 2020. Thanks for watching.